Our colleague Anvit, who's live with us from Central Avenue in Kolkata. Anvit, you are on the other side of the protest, where the College Street protest is going to culminate and go towards Nobonno, although the police is making ample arrangements to stop them. What is the kind of crowd swell that you see around you?
We walked all the way from College Square to Central Avenue along with the protesters, and they are gathered in heavy number, and so is the deployment of the police. Right now, you can see on your screens the number of people, and they are raising slogans continuously of "We want justice," and some are also raising slogans asking Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, to step down as the Chief Minister, following the negligence in the RGL case and the justice that they are alleging that has been denied to the victim of the RGL. These are the protesters, and they said that they only have two demands, and despite all the arrangements that the police have made, despite the barricading that has been done, they will continue to march to the secretariat, and they have been marching, in fact, in large numbers. You can see another chunk of protesters is coming, and they're holding a tricolor in their hands. Some of them are also holding placards which mean that justice for Arjun victim shall be delivered. Following the irregularities and that they have been witnessing in this case, they have also to step down. All this after ADG of police previously said that they have discussion that some of the mistakes to join this protest.
Anvit, we will come back to you. There's a problem with your audio link. We'd want to hear you more clearly. But Anvit, they're reporting from the Central Avenue in Kolkata, where the other wing of the student organization, the Paschim Bengal Chhatra Samaj, is moving towards Nobonno. This is the Nobonno Abhiyan rally that is coming from a different side. This is opposite to where Kamalika is reporting out of, and this is where we are getting these visuals from. They also are trying to march towards the secretariat. However, there will be a particular point that they will be stopped. This other piece of visuals are coming to you from Chhatragachi, where that entire area has been turned into a fortress. There are drones that have been pressed into service. There are iron barricades that have been put in place by the Bengal police. And remember, the ADG Bengal, South Bengal has mentioned how there is no permission that's been sought for this rally. None has been given whatsoever, and hence this entire protest is illegal. On the other hand, we've seen how Bharatiya Janata Party claims that 4 of the student leaders have been detained by the police. In fact, they say they are missing. The police has ended up saying that they have been preventively taken into custody because they in fact suspect some sort of a conspiracy that is at play. All of that is happening, and while we look at these protests that are emanating out of Kolkata, out of Bengal, you also have a tweet that's been put out by the Trinamool Congress, where they are urging that the students should not be pawns at the hands of the political organizations. Of course, TMC is hinting at the Bharatiya Janata Party. Bharatiya Janata Party, remember, is offering moral support to this rally, although the Paschim Bengal Chhatra Samaj is underlining the fact how this entire protest is not politically motivated. They intend to keep it as non-violent as is possible. However, they will continue with their demand of resignation that they want from the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, and they will be marching towards the Secretariat. That's where things get tricky, because marching towards the State Secretariat is where a lot of security comes into play, and that cannot be allowed. That's what the Bengal police is doing, and hence you can see the kind of arrangements that are in place at the moment. We'd seen how the crowd was less in number till some time back, but now more and more people are joining, like you can see in the visuals, with placards, with sloganeering that is happening. They are reaching not just Chhatragachi, but they are also marching at the College Square, moving towards Nobonno. We have our colleagues Kamalika and Anvit, both sides of this entire protest march. One is tracking the Kolkata students' square secretariat, where they're marching towards the secretariat, and the other one is at Chhatragachi, where that important train station is also there. Kamalika was reporting how there will be more and more leaders, student leaders, who are going to come from various other districts of West Bengal to join in the protest. My colleague Anvit is back with us on the broadcast. Anvit, where do you think exactly are these protesters going to be stopped by the police?
Also been thrown around the College Street area and near Howrah. spot where the protesters had said that they'd be starting their march from to the secretariat. But despite that, protesters in large numbers gathered at College Street, one of the spots from where the protest was to begin. And following that, police had met with these protesters, requesting them not to move forward. But the protesters had outnumbered police and they have moved towards the secretariat. Now they are marching from College Street towards the secretariat, and many of them we spoke to said that they have only two demands. One is the justice for Arjika victim, and another demand is following the irregularities and negligence. They are demanding to step down as the post of CM of West Bengal. These are the two main demands. Police have also made arrangements. Senior police officials of deputy commissioner rank were also here earlier, and they also took stock of the situation. In fact, they also met some of the protest organizers, requesting them to stay peaceful. In fact, regular announcements are also being made, asking protesters to remain peaceful and not to resort to any violence or any kind of violation of protocol. Because earlier the ATC had said that they are expecting
Anvit, I'd request you to stay on with us because there's some sort of a disturbance that is being reported out of Chhatragachi where my colleague Kamalika is. You can see the protesters turning violent. There seems to be some sort of a lathi charge that is happening from across the barricade. The protesters are trying to break the barricade, although you do see some volunteers who are requesting and dissuading the protesters from doing so. We are only hoping that the situation doesn't go out of hand. You can see in the visuals how one of the barricades has been taken away by the protesters. They are trying to move to the other side of the street there in Chhatragachi. Things are turning ugly here. My colleague Kamalika is over there. She is reporting live from there. Kamalika, things are getting out of hand over there.
Now we can see that stone pelting has started from one side, and you can see that the forces, they are trying to combat this, and would like to just show that stone pelting is happening. Stone pelting happening from that side, and they are trying to break the first barricade, and the cops are also trying to move forward. So a tension situation with the cops also is gearing up. But now the stone pelting has started, and you can see that situation now really tense out here.
Absolutely.
They are trying to break the barricade. They are trying to do the stone pelting, and the situation is tensed.
And they have managed to break a portion of that barricade there. Kamalika, we are glad that you are at a vantage. Just stay safe over there and keep describing these visuals to us because the protesters have really turned violent. The iron barricades are not helping. They have managed to take away portion of that barricade, and in all probability they are going to move across to the other side of the street there, Kamalika.
Yeah, absolutely. They had tried to, bend one side of barricade. Huge force is there. Stone pelting is there, and they have actually climbed up to a certain portion of the barricade, which we are showing, and come what way they want to get inside. The police is trying to hold on with all the force, and they are trying to hold on, and we are getting the tear gas might be charged now. There's some tear gas shelling has started, and the situation going, and you can see the water cannon is now proceeding, and you can see the water cannon now proceeding, and the tear gas shelling has started, and the situation now really going tough. As you can see that the water cannon has been, they have started to charge the water cannon, and also